Hi guys, and welcome back to the Fentech HTML class. So like I said, for today's class we're going to be looking at HTML formatting elements. Now HTML formatting elements, or rather formatting elements, were designed to display special types of text like the bold, important text, italic elements, emphasized text, marked text, smaller text, deleted text, inserted text, subscript text, and superscript text. Now, the HTML small element defines smaller text. For example, we're going to add this. We're going to have small. We're going to close it. Then we have this is Fentech. Yep. Then the HTML mark element defines text that should be marked or highlighted. So, for example, we're going to have this. So for the marked element, we're going to put it, let's say we're going to have another P element, which should be don't forget to subscribe to Fentech. Okay, so we're going to put the mark elements in between this, which is mark. I think we'll have to remove this. Has to come here. So we'll just put that there. So let's save and let's view in our browser. So we're just going to reload, and as you can see, this is marked. And where we have this is Fentech in small. It's meant to be smaller than this. So let's look at our code. So I guess maybe if we remove this, it shows us this. So let's reconstruct that, save, and then view. So as you can see, there was no effect for that. Okay, so we're going to go back to that. The next thing we're going to move is the deleted text. Now the HTML del element defines text that has been deleted from a document. Browsers will usually strike a line through deleted text. Example, let's have another P element saying Fentech charges. I think we'll have to put the deleted for that. Del Then we come here. Okay, so let's save and let's view on our browser how that turns out. Okay, so as you can see, it striked a line. Fentech charges for their classes. We don't charge, so we're deleting this off. Yeah. So the next thing we're going to move over to is the HTML inserted text, that is INS. So the HTML INS element defines a text that has been inserted into a document. So browsers will usually underline inserted text. So let's have um the classes to be inserted. So let's INS copy paste and just delete this. So let's save and see what we have. So as you can see, classes is underlined. So let's move over to the HTML subscript element. Now the HTML subscript element defines subscript text. So subscript text appears half a character below the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. So subscript text can be used for chemical formulas like our H2O. So let's do an example on that. We have another P element. This is H. So our subscript will be so let's save, Control S, and let's view. So as you can see, we have our H2O. Now why that space is there, let's check it out. Because we kept a space here, let's see. So let's try Control S, reload. As you can see, the two came closer to the H, so take note of that. So next we are going to be moving over to the superscript text. This one can be used in mostly mathematical equations, like where we have 1 times 10 raised to power 4. So let's go back to our code. We're going to have another P element saying solve the equation 1. So our multiplication sign, I think for a system this is 1 times, let's say 10. Then we need our superscript, so sup close raised to power 4, yeah, by tomorrow, or let's just leave it at that. So save and let's view it. As you can see, we have 1 times 10 raised to power 4 here. So next we are going to be moving over to okay, I think we've talked on emphasized text in our various videos. We've talked on the italics, we've talked on the strong text. So I think that will be all for HTML formatting elements. Next we are going to be looking at HTML quotation and citation elements. So that will be all. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.